Hello, good morning. How are you? I feel happy. Okay, you know already what you have to do. Please open your English notebook and write today is, what day is today? Today is, great job. Write it in your English notebook. Next, please go look outside the window and see what the weather is like. What is the weather like today? Please write it in your English notebook. Finally, please write I feel and your emotion. For example, I feel happy. How do you feel? Please write. Great job. After you watch this video, please go to the YouTube link about wild animals. You will watch a fun video where you learn about the wild animals from our new chapter. After the video, leave a comment saying what your favorite wild animal is. For example, my favorite wild animal is a giraffe. All right, everybody, good luck and have fun. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.